Hello guys, I hope you are fine. My name is Isaac Newton. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean. Live your life as an exclamation rather than an explanation. If I have seen further than others, it is by standing upon the shoulders of giants. Atheism is so senseless. When I look at the solar system, I see the Earth at the right distance from the Sun to receive the proper amounts of heat and light. This did not happen by chance. Truth is ever to be found in the simplicity, and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. I know not how I seem to others, but to myself I am but a small child wandering upon the vast shores of knowledge, every now and then finding a small bright pebble to content myself with while the vast ocean of undiscovered truth lay before me. In the absence of any other proof, the thumb alone would convince me of God's existence. I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. All my discoveries have been made in answer to prayer. Tact is the art of making a point without making an enemy. Gravity explains the motions of the planets, but it cannot explain who sets the planets in motion. My powers are ordinary. Only my application brings me success. A heavenly master governs all the world as sovereign of the universe. We are astonished at him by reason of his perfection. We honor him and fall down before him because of his unlimited power. From blind physical necessity, which is always and everywhere the same, no variety adhering to time and place could evolve, and all variety of created objects which represent order and life in the universe could happen only by the willful reasoning of its original creator, whom I call the Lord God. He who thinks half-heartedly will not believe in God, but he who really thinks has to believe in God. As a blind man has no idea of colors, so we have no idea of the manner by which the all-wise God perceives and understands all things. If I am anything, which I highly doubt, I have made myself so by hard work. Truth is the offspring of silence and meditation. A man may imagine things that are false, but he can only understand things that are true, for if the things be false, the apprehension of them is not understanding. Please guys, like and subscribe now.